Today, let me show how to set the lithium battery communication with Sako Sang V for 6.5. First, we check the cable connection. This is the communication cable. From here, this side connected to BMS terminal of the solar inverters. Another side connected to RS485 of lithium battery. And we also need to select the address to 1 here, like this. This is a connection of the cable. And here, this is the battery cable. Positive to positive, negative to negative. After wire connections, we go to setting. Press the menu and down and to 5. Select 5 and down. There are many different types of battery. This is the parent tag. For Sako inverter, we use LIB. After select, press menu and then exit. Now let's reset the lithium battery also. Here you can also check the menu. Pack set. Enter. Select RS485. Enter. There are many brands of inverter for selection. We select Sako. And enter. Set OK. Then we go back to the inverter. Normally after setting, you need to wait about 1 minute to the successful symbol. Now let's wait. Now let's see. We need to take some time to wait the successful communication. This is normal, no need to worry. Okay, you can see here the battery flashing. So that means the communication with the lithium battery already successful. Okay.